Well, I've got some really exciting news for my Tacoma. If you guys haven't already heard me allude to it in some other video posts recently, I've got a new set of wheels and tires for the truck, and they are here and ready to be installed. So that's going to be coming in my next video upload. Be sure to subscribe and stay posted to see what it looks like with the new wheel tire package. But in the meantime, I'm going to be increasing the tire size from where I'm currently sitting, and I'm not going to be able to fit the mud flaps. And so I thought it'd be fun to do a video showing you what the Tacoma looks like with the mud flaps and without those, with the stock wheels still on. I do have a slightly oversized set of tires currently, and the vehicle's got a 2-inch lift in the front and a 1-inch lift in the rear. The Tacoma comes stock with a set of 265/70 R16 tires in this TRD off-road package. I've got a set of 265/75 R16. Let's do a quick walk around and then I'll pull those off. Now, if you are curious about how to remove the mud flaps, it's super easy to do. All you need is a socket wrench with a 10mm socket, and then you'll see on the front flap, we've got 3 bolts here using that 10mm socket. And to remove the rear mud flap, we've got 5 bolts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one down here on the bottom. So super easy to remove and reinstall the mud flaps on both the front and the back. So there you go, that's a look at the Tacoma with the mud flaps and without them. I actually had a viewer on one of my prior videos that made a comment saying that by taking these off, it gave the illusion of the truck having an additional inch or 2 of lift. And I've been really curious to see if that's true. And I definitely agree, looking at it without them, that it looks like the truck sits a little bit higher. But despite that, I feel a little bit sentimental pulling these off because I feel like the mud flaps on the Tacoma is kind of a trademark look. Love to get your thoughts on that. Do you think the Tacoma looks better with mud flaps or without them? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you have any other additional comments or questions, feel free to leave those down there as well. To stay up to date on my progress with the truck and to see the new wheel and tire package installed, look for my next video post. In the meantime, thanks for watching.